Hey y'all, we're back again. Your major organizers, San Antonio Liberators. I'm Melissa.
I'm Jessica.
And today we are meeting our Liberator, Julie. Julie is the youngest in our group.
She's our baby.
She's our baby. She actually could be our baby. Yeah, let's not do the math on that one. But anyway, Julie has been with us since April, right?
Yes.
Yes. So talk to us a little bit about why you wanted to come and work for major organizers.
Well, I didn't know that I wanted to until I saw the job listing. I am very involved with my church, so whenever I found out that it was a Christian company, it was like extremely exciting. And then also that it included organizing, which is really something that like holds my life together like glue. So I was just like, I think I could actually do that really well. So that's
She does. But aside from organizing, you also do something else.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I am currently a grad student at UTSA. So University of Texas San Antonio, if you're not from San Antonio area. But I am going for a counseling degree as a professional, a licensed professional counselor. And I'm in my first semester, so I have like 2 more years about this. So I'm really excited about it. It's kind of like the fit. Like major organizers was like the brackets, and counseling was like the fit. So it's really exciting.
You know, and that's true about most liberators, is that we are all helpful. It's who we are. We all are nurturers. We're all helpers. And so the fact that this is what you're pursuing your degree in, it makes sense.
Yes,
this is what you'd be doing. So what is your favorite area or thing to organize, would you say?
I would say an office. I would say like office supplies, and like I've currently actually got a huge calendar for my wall that is a chalkboard calendar, and it takes up like half of the wall in my office space, and it's just I just love like making an office space work for the person. So
absolutely. Let me guess, you're a little visual if you need a big old calendar.
Yeah, just like a lot. Yeah.
Well, we love having Julie on our major organizers San Antonio team. Her spirit, her passion, and her commitment to everything that she does, it just makes her such a joy to have on our team. So we want to hear from you. Don't forget to email us any comments or questions that you might have to San Antonio Liberators at majororganizers.com. Maybe we'll feature you in a video just like we're featuring our Liberators.
Yes.
All right.
We want to hear from you.
Till next time. Bye, y'all.
Bye.